guys, it's Giselle. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I have another Amazon personal shopper unboxing for you. I asked them to send me some nice fall pieces. Some of the things they picked out was a little interesting. You let me know what you think. So first up, we have this sweater. It's a gray sweater, and it's supposed to be like one of those really bulky off-the-shoulder type sweaters, which it kind of looks like that is. The sleeves look a little odd though. I don't know, like, I guess maybe they're supposed to look like that, especially if you're like wearing it off the shoulder. So we shall see what it looks like when it's on. The label that lists all of these items, it got cut off during printing, so I am missing like a few words. So I'm going to try my best to figure out what each thing is. First up, we have the women's long sleeve, off the shoulder, casual loose top, oversized knitted sweater. I don't know what that word is. It's cut off. Pullovers, medium, 810 gray. Now, that is a really long item name. The interesting thing is that I didn't find a label. It just came in one of these bags, so it doesn't really say like what the manufacturer is. It isn't super long. I thought it was gonna be longer. Second item that they sent me was this olive green bomber jacket. Kind of like a bomber jacket, yeah. I guess I would call it that. It's got some cool, interesting features. Like, for instance, the sleeves, I don't know if you can see that. It's got like a little bit like of a ruffle look to it, like one single ruffle going down it. And then in the back here, it has that same little feature in the back. And it's like a silky material. I thought this was cool. I'm a big olive green fan. It's by the company called Mud Pie. Never heard of them. Mud Pie Women's Nolan Bomber Jacket in olive in a size medium. So I'm excited to try that. I love jackets. Probably don't need any more jackets, but I really do love them. Next up, we have a pair of jeans from Lee jeans. And it's got like this flared, a little flared boot cut to it. Lee Women's Flex Motion Regular Fit Boot Cut Jean in the color Renegade in a size 4. They feel like they're going to be comfortable. And I would say in the last, probably the last 2 to 3 years, most of the jeans that I've been purchasing have been skinny jeans, so I'm interested to see if I like the way these look on me. Am I the only one out there that's been like really just stuck in the skinny jean mode? This next item I'm going to show you, it's actually really strange. So I don't know if my personal stylist, again, I don't know if it's a real person or an algorithm. I don't know if they were just missing the warm weather and they decided to like choose something that was warm weather related and not really fall related. But when I saw it come up on the list of items they chose for me, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna have it sent to me because I thought it was funny. This is the shirt. It's got these interesting sleeves here. It's like off the shoulder, and it has this really pretty floral pattern, which I do love the floral pattern. And it has like a tie front, so you can tie this in the front here. It was just so random. Like, when I see this, I don't think fall at all. I don't know if it was like a oopsie moment for them. I'm missing a couple of the letters from the label here, as Azavid. Women's Summer, okay, so right there in the name, Women's Summer Floral, printed off the shoulder top, 3/4 lengths, flared bell sleeve, a word that's cut off, a tie knot t-shirt in medium, and it's a color blue. So yeah, I don't really know what happened when they chose this, but we'll see. If it looks really cute, I might keep it for next year. Next up, we have another pair of pants, and these are like a burgundy color. So these are Calvin Klein, and they have like a tie front here. You've got like the pockets here. It might be translating like a purple on my camera, not really sure. Calvin Klein tie belt pleated pant, size 4, and it's in the color, I don't even know how to say this, aubergine. Yeah, this is definitely something that I would only wear to work, and by looking at it, I can't tell if these are gonna look cute or if they're gonna look hideous. Next up, we have a box. I think I know what these are. Oh yes, I remember these. So we have these little leopard print booties. It's cute. It's got like a little heel. These look really comfortable. They feel like a micro suede. These are Amazon brand Find, and it's the block heel square toe ankle boots in brown leopard, and it is in a US size 7. I don't have any leopard print booties. Not really sure how I feel about this toe design. Like, I don't know. We'll see what it looks like. It does look like it's really comfy. This next item, I decided not to fully unpackage it before I showed you this because it came in a really weird setup. This is the item that I got, and it's literally vacuum sealed into this package here. Yeah. So this is a Miro Kitty, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, women's long sleeve button cowl neck Sherpa pullover. Some of these names remind me of the names on the Wish app. You know what I'm talking about? Those really long descriptive names. Okay, this is interesting. It does look and feel very cozy. And it's got these little button details right here around the cowl neck area. Doesn't have any kind of pockets on it. No kangaroo pouch, just top. All right, last item up, another pair of shoes. And these are not what I expected. Not the color I thought I chose, but they're interesting. So it looks like it's this blue color. I thought I chose black. I could have sworn that I picked the black ones, but I don't know. Maybe I made a mistake. So these are some cool booties, and they have a interesting heel. Do you see that? It's kind of like ombre. It goes from like this slate blue color to this like really shiny dark blue. That's interesting. I wouldn't normally buy shoes this color. This is Sam Edelman women's Pasha. I don't know how to say that. Whatever. 2 ankle boot in the color ocean blue in a size 7. Wow, this is the most expensive item in the whole entire box. This is actually $71.96. And it's funny because I have like my pricing breakdown with them is like up to $50, I think, for this particular box. So interesting that they decided to send me this. If you want to watch me try on all of these cool items, keep watching. This is the first outfit. I have the off-the-shoulder sweater with the bootleg jeans and the Sam Edelman boots. So let's start off with the sweater. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, a lot chunkier, a lot looser. It looked smaller when I took it out of the bag, but it's definitely living up to its expectations as far as looking like the photo on Amazon. This is cute. I don't know if I'm going to keep it, but I do like the look of it. It's not the softest sweater, but the look of it, I do like it. So that's what the sweater looks like. Big and oversized. These jeans are so comfortable. I left the tag on them because I wasn't sure if I was going to keep them. We call that mid-rise maybe, mid-rise. And that's what they look like. If you are in the market for a bootleg jean, I would highly recommend these. These Lee ones are really comfy. They fit right in all the right places. So I would recommend these. These are the boots. and I wasn't able to remove that little tag right there because I don't think I'm going to keep them. But that's what they look like. But honestly, I don't think they're for me. They're one of those boots that when you walk, I can feel or I can sense that they really dig in to that area of your leg right here as you walk because they're stiff. They're stiff and they don't move very freely. They're kind of expensive. So the next outfit that I have on is not something that I would wear together, but for the sake of the video and getting dressed 20 different times, I figured I would pair it up together. I do think the sleeves are really cute, as you can see. It's got a really, really pretty floral pattern. The part that you actually tie in the front is what's kind of throwing it off for me. It's really big. Like, let me show you. That's how big the front section is, and just to give you an idea, so that's what it looks like. It looks off to me right here. It's not flattering. So these pants are so comfortable. It's belted right here. You've got 2 pockets. So they are a good length. I don't know if I would get a lot of wear from this color, this like burgundy color right here. Definitely something to keep in mind next time I'm in the market for some dress slacks. Let's start off with this bomber jacket. I am like so in love with this thing. It is like really high quality, and I think this is a really good price. So I just have it paired up with this shirt for now, but the lining in here is like really nice. It's like got a good lining, and it's, like I said, it's like a silky material, and it's just so cute. It's like the perfect size too. It's kind of baggy, but it's got this cute little ruffly detail. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think, people? What do you think? Should I keep it? It's just so cute. On to the boots. Here they are. Let me take them off so we can talk about it. They're cute, but for the money, I don't think they're worth it. They are flimsy as far as like when you put them on, they're so flimsy, it's almost like you are putting on a very thick sock. I'm not kidding. If you like this, I mean, I do think that the tiny little heel here is cute. I do like that. That's different. But this, I know I was complaining about the other boot being too stiff, but this is like an ankle bootie, so it's just like the right size. I don't know. I think maybe there should be like a little bit more of like a sturdiness to it. It's super soft. Like I said, it's like a micro suede. We have the last item to show you, which is this Sherpa top, and it is really soft, super comfy. It's the cowl neck one that has these cute little button details right here. I will say this, the way that it came like vacuum sealed in that package, it kind of made it like super wrinkly and kind of like, I don't know, set the tone to how the fabric is kind of showing off now. So I don't really like that. Because it's such a comfortable top, I keep reaching down for like a kangaroo pouch or like pockets, like a hoodie pocket. You know what I mean? I keep wanting to do that because it's so cozy, and it's just like a reflex. Like, you know, you want to just be cozy and, you know, put your hands in pockets. Is that just me? Am I just weird? Right, guys, so that is it for the box. Overall, I think the box was a good mixture of items. I am kind of on the fence about keeping this item. So out of all the items, this would be the one that I would want to keep. It's only $25.31. My only concern is that I have a couple of other things that are olive green. As far as jackets go, I have 2 other ones, actually 3. But I don't have a bomber jacket. I don't know. What do you think I should do? I don't need to send this box back until next week. So you guys let me know in the comments section below if you think I should keep this jacket. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you some ideas of some fall clothing items that you can get off of Amazon. If you liked this video, please make sure to leave me a like below so that I know that you enjoyed it. And also let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite item. If you are not already subscribed and you like these types of videos, you like clothing hauls, you like to go shopping, and you love Amazon, consider subscribing below and hitting that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. It is absolutely free. Also, I have a ton of other Amazon unboxings. I will link that up here for you if you want to take a look. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.